Hey guys, this is Diane of Minimize to Maximize, and today you are in my car. And I want to show you how I am packing for a 5-day, 5 nights car camping experience. And this is where I'm going to sleep. And you don't see me very well right now, but I want to show you the clothes that I have packed for this experience. Now I'm going to be in the wilderness for 5 days and 5 nights, and I am also going to be probably not having access to daily showers, and could be dusty. I'm also going to do some sweat lodges and things like that. So I'm expecting I'm going to get pretty dusty slash maybe dirty very quickly during this camping experience. Now I'll be sleeping in my car, so that's going to be easy. And I have this pad set up right here. See, I have my pillow and I have a foam pad underneath. But when it comes to the clothes, I want to show you what I have. I'm going to wear mostly pants because my camping experience is also a retreat, and a retreat with indigenous elders, and so they have a bit of a stricter dress code. So I'm not gonna wear a lot of shorts and revealing things. So I started basically with my pants, and I've got four pairs of pants. I have this olive green pants, these kind of whatever you call it, brick color or terracotta color. I have these cotton long pants that have prints and a navy, and I have a pair of shorts just in case it gets really hot and I can't stand the pants anymore. But 4 pairs of pants is really plenty for this, and I really apologize about the sunlight. It's kind of hard to film inside the car. So I started with the pants, and as you can see, the colors are more like earth tones or easy to match with other things. Then I moved on to the t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts, and as I said, I'm gonna probably get quite dirty, and so I have the plan to have one t-shirt per day, but I'm sure I'm not gonna use all of this. So here are my t-shirts. As you can hopefully see, I have this maroon color short sleeve t-shirt. I have a dark gray, I have a lighter gray, and I have this olive green t-shirt. And if you can see next to the pants, everything basically matches with everything else. I'm also planning on layering up when it starts to cool down in the evening. I'm going to be camping somewhere in the wilderness, in the redwoods forest, which I'm very excited about, and that's going to be in Northern California. So I have long sleeve t-shirts. I have this thicker long sleeve fabric, which is a light gray long sleeve and a little thick. I have this jeans vest. It's just button vest, and it's probably more for covering me from the sun. And I have this woolen weird color, which is kind of a blend of purpley lilac-y color. It goes well enough with my clothes. I'm not going to anything fancy, so I don't think people will care at all about what I'm wearing. So that's for my long sleeves t-shirt. Also, I think this is plenty. In the night, if the temperatures drop closer to 50 degrees or below, I might get cold because I run cold. So I do have a puffy, oops, oh, the light is terrible here, a puffy jacket. puffy jacket. It packs very compact, and so that's going to be easy for me to use. And I have a almost kind of like a sweater. See, okay, I need to lie down so you can see. A thick sweater. There you go. Pretend I am dressing in it. A thick sweater. In case my little feet get cold, I have some woolen socks for the night and also a woolen beanie. This is beige, so far everything matches. During the daytime, it's really going to be hot and sunny, most likely. After all, it is June in California, so I'm gonna have my one and only hat. There it is. Gosh, the light is terrible. I'm so sorry. My one and only hat, and very fun to film in a car. This is indispensable. This is my sarong. I've shown this in other videos. I can use it as a scarf. I can use it to sit on. I can use it as a skirt, as a dress. It's basically a rectangular piece of fabric. This one is cotton, and I can use it to protect my shoulders. It is super versatile, so that is a must for me. And I can use this as a towel as well if I go swimming, if I have an opportunity for to swim in a lake, in a river, during my trip. I know I'm going to do a sweat lodge or two, so when I'm gonna come out of the sweat lodge, there's gonna be a big difference in temperature. And I might need to pat myself dry because inside the sweat lodge is really, really hot. So very useful. So I have also oh gosh, swimsuit. This is terrible. This light. This is just a bathing suit, nothing special, and 2 pairs of regular socks. Those are gray. Nothing very special. And I also have well, a bra and underwear, basically. And all of these fits in a duffel bag. And I'm going to showcase you how everything fits in this duffel bag. So bear with me. Still here? Okay, here we go. We are putting first the pants in the duffel bag. I love duffel bags because you can pack a lot of things in it. You can open it completely and see all of your possessions in one go. It's easy to pack under the seat of your of a train, or under your seat on airplane or anywhere in the car. Very, very handy. There you go, my 4 t-shirts. I am also gonna take this beige t-shirt, so technically it's gonna be 5 t-shirts. My 3 long sleeve t-shirts. See the colors? Earth tones mostly, and jeans fabric. Beanie and wool socks for the cold nights. The thick hoodie, also for the cool nights or evenings. And puffy jacket, which is this light gray color. This is down jacket. It's very warm and it packs very tight. This is my one and only winter coat, and it works just great. My trusted sarong, cotton. Swimsuit. 2 pairs of socks. I may get another one. Goes with my underwear on the side pocket. This way it's easy to find. And my hat, which folds. Very important if you're a person who travels a lot to have a folding hat. And now I zip up and all my clothes are in this duffel bag. And that's more than enough. It's probably a bit too much clothing for 5 days of wilderness camping and retreat experience. Thank you so much for following me, guys. I'm going to do a quick video to explain to you what I will be bringing in my minimalist backpack. Take care and see you soon.